guys, so today I am filming a first impressions video because I have never tried this brand. I am filming a second video with this brand, and that's actually going to be posted before this video. So if you see that video first and then you see this video, you're going to be like, but it's not first impressions because you've already done a video on it. No, I haven't. I did that video after this video, but that one went up first because that's what I want to do. Today, we're going to be doing first impressions on a very affordable brand, and I actually got this palette for $9, and then I think I got this one for $13, and I think I got this one for like $6, so super affordable. This is from BH Cosmetics, and this is very reflective, holy crap. Anyways, so this is the brand that I'm going to be reviewing today. So this is their Gilded palette, which that's gone forever. This is their Gilded palette, which is beautiful for fall. And then I went ahead and got their Nude blush palette, which I don't know. Which, oh, they're so pretty and they're so big. Like, this is so large, you don't ever need another blush for the rest of your life. And, oh, I am excited for this, y'all. Okay, this thing is gigantic. I don't know what I want to do. I think I just want to keep it the mauve-y kind of look today. Mauve bronze, but oh yes, girl, I'm an Aquarius. Can we just look at this color? Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. So, yes, we're going to be doing a first impression. And you know what? I did not get the contour palette because I don't use powder contours. I just do cream contours, and I didn't get a highlighter palette. I didn't get any lip products, but we will be doing a first impression on their foundation because they sent me a sample. Hopefully it's white color, light olive. That sounds dark, but you know what, you can't see the rest of my skin, so hey, for all you know, I might be really tan. Only we'll know though. So we're gonna be doing a full first impressions. I'm gonna do an eye look first because I don't know how the fallout is. I'm going to put on the foundation, then I'm going to do like my bronzer contour, and then I'm going to put on their blush, and then I'm going to put on another lipstick. I think we're going with this today just because it's super pretty. And after that, I will come back later tonight and let you know how everything held up. So it's an actual first impression. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Give me a comment if you haven't already. And I would love to have you on my channel, but let's get into this look. So I went ahead and just blended everything out with, I'm stuck, with this really beautiful dusty pink shade here. Okay, so this was really bright on me. So I had to go over it with kind of like that camel brown color over the top. So it's just going to seem like an extra step. And I probably could have blended them together, but I didn't know what that color would look like because what I did to this eye, I'm just going to do the same on this eye. And I'm going to be cleaning up this edge here. So I'm kind of swooping these colors out this way. Yeah, so you see how like almost cotton candy pink this is right now? That was just a bit too intense for me with that pink because this is pigmented. Holy cow. So I am actually going over everything again with this camely brown here, which is right underneath Aquarius, and with a really fluffy brush, I'm just softly making that color a little bit more, I guess you could say mauve colored. Alright, so now that that's a little bit more toned down, but it's still not brown, it still has like that hint of like a pink in there, I'm gonna start adding in the inner corner color, which is Virgo. Oh, it's so pretty. It's, oh, this color is like I'd say a rose pink. Like a dusty rose pink though. Alright, now I'm going to deepen up this outer corner with this really beautiful kind of rich chocolate brown. And it kind of pulls out these purples and these pinks that I'm going to be putting on, and it's beautiful. Alright, don't worry about all this mess. We're going to blend. It's going to look beautiful, I promise. Okay, so now I'm just going to create a crease color, and I am going in with, what color did I use? Oh yeah, I'm going to use just a teeny bit of this gray here, and I'm just going to pull this up under my brow bone. And the gray kind of blends with these colors and makes them look kind of like a purpley, which is really pretty. I'm not bringing that all the way over, I'm just kind of keeping it right here, right in the center. Alright, now I'm going to take a blending brush and start blending these out right here. So now for this transition color here, I am going in with Libra, which is a really pretty purple, to give it a nice gradient. Oh, it's so pretty. So I have this done. It looks really crazy right now, and I promise it will look so much better when I actually clean up the sides and put on my makeup. So I'm gonna move to their foundation that they gave me now, and I'll be right back. Yeah, I can already tell we're about to be tan, y'all. That's cool. That's why I wore a sweater today. I don't know, it might actually work. Let's see here. Oh, it's so cold. Okay. Okay. This might be my color. Why all of y'all? So I have not set this. So it seems to dry down kind of with, it's not matte. So it is kind of like a natural, your skin but better. So I would definitely say this is a medium to light coverage. It's kind of like my skin but better. I have bronzed and contoured my face and powdered it. I'm quite impressed so far. Normal foundations, normally normal everything, every foundation ever. I always get those smile lines right there. I always get right here in the inner corner of my nose. But actually, you're about to get real personal. Real up close and personal with me. You can see that this one actually is pretty good on my nose area. I hope that saw, because I couldn't see while I was doing that. And forehead lines actually aren't too intense. So as of right now, I'm okay with this foundation. Now let's do the lower lash line, and then the blush, and then the highlighter. Where was I? Alright, let's do the lower lash line and then the blush. I'm just gonna do an intense right off the bat look, and I'm going in with this chocolatey brown. I think I want to go just straight into Libra. Actually, in that Zodiac palette, there is a highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and do the blush and that highlighter that's kind of in the middle of the Zodiac palette, and then finish it off with a new lipstick I got. And yep, beautiful. This is, by the way, I Don't Desert You, and it's the liquid catsuit. And looking at this, I don't want to do any purples or pinks because it's just going to be too much. So I really like this color right here. Let's do that one. Alright, so that's quite powdery, but that's okay. Yes, that is just the color I wanted. It's just very soft, just a hint of peach. Perfect. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh. For $6? Are you serious? I love that. Okay, BH Cosmetics. Okay. Alright, now let's do that highlighter. Alright, it's right here in the middle. Alright, I think what I'm going to do is so all of this kind of melts into the skin, because right now it's looking very powdery, and that's probably just this formula. It's kind of a little chalky. I'm going to spray this into my face so it kind of all like melts together, and then I'm going to do the lips. Excessive, but that's okay because I'm excessive. Oh, well, that escalated quickly. Well, that's dark, but I like it. Come here, baby. Come here. Okay, well, I have put on everything, and she just got out of the bath. Her hair's still wet. Oh, say hi. Oh, we gotta do this hair here, girl. Alright, so that is this look, and I will come back later tonight. It is now 2:30, so I will be back later tonight to let you know how it held up and what I thought of just it overall. I love the eyeshadows, they're beautiful. This child needs to get her hair done now. It's still wet. And I will see you guys later. It'll just be a second, but I'll see you guys in a minute. So, alright you guys, it's only been a second for you, but it is now, excuse my military time, but it is now 11:09, that's 23:09 military time. I just like military time, so sorry. Anyways, so I'm going to zoom you guys in real close, and we're going to look at all of my makeup. Okay, I went to Sephora, sorry, not sorry. And, oh, by the way, I'm in jammies, so, yeah. So I went to Sephora, tried the Fenty How Many Carats, that glitter bomb highlighter, and so that's on my cheek still, because, sorry, it was beautiful. Also, for another video, I got liquid catsuit lipstick. I got liquid catsuit lipsticks. That's hard to say. At Walgreens today, they were $2.69. They were $2.69, and I had a $2 off coupon for every single one. So I have, I believe, 12 or 13 or 15. I think I have 15. to show you guys, I'm going to do a whole bunch of swatches in another video. This is just a small amount. So I have a ton. So I'll film all those swatches in another video if you guys want to see. But let's do this review on my face. So here we go. I have not touched anything up. My lipstick looks absolutely horrific. I am sorry. But let's look at the foundation, the blush, the highlight. I'm not too sure because I put on the Fenty frickin' stuff. But let's look at my eyeshadow. Let's look at everything so you guys can see. Alright, first I do have lines right here, but that's nothing new. Really, we need to look at my nose. It's a little red. I have a little red showing through, but I don't have like all the nastiness that I normally have right here. That one is got a little bit of nastiness, but for the most part, I don't know if you can see, I have some coming off my nose here, but my daughter was up in my face a lot, so that's fine. I can still see the blush color on my cheeks, and my eyeshadow has held up really well. Hold on, why isn't it focusing? There we go. So my eyeshadow has held up really well. I am impressed. I mean, even on my forehead, my lines aren't too bad. So, thumbs up for me. I love it. Well, that is not zooming out. Alright, well, there we go. Everything got an A for me. And keep an eye out for another tutorial. I'm going to be doing a fall tutorial with this beauty right here. So keep an eye out for that. That should be coming soon. And yeah, I think we're ready to go. Do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? Alright, it's time to go to bed now. That's not how Mommy says bye.
Bye!
There we go. So this is BH Cosmetics, which I am pretty sure, oh hey, you can see everything on, this is so reflective. But I saw those colors, I'm like, mine! Look at this color. Or not.
To be picking up stuff on the floor.
Anyways, where were we? Excuse me. Jeez. And so I don't look dead, I'm gonna line my eyes. And then,